today I'm going to talk to you in our wealth strategy about something that is quite important, which is investing versus trading. Okay, why should you invest? Why should you trade? What is investing? What is trading? Okay, now when we talk about that, it's important to understand the difference between one and the other. So when you're talking about investing, then you're investing, it's a time in the market. So when you are investing, you are going for the long term. You're looking at months to years. It can be several months, can be a couple of months, can be years. So it's the time in the market when you are investing. Okay. Now, when you are trading, it's different because it is timing the market. So you understand? I mean, it's time in the market versus timing the market. And here it's more days to weeks. Okay. So very big difference in concept between trading and investing and trading. One is time in the market. The other one is timing the market. When, in other words, when is the right time to get in? When is the right time to get out? That's for trading. When you are investing, you say, okay, I'm in now, I'm in for the long run. Maybe in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 years, I'll look at it and see what happens. And it should be higher. So if I sell, I'll make my money. Okay. So when you're looking at investing, you're looking at something like this, where you start here, you know, and the market just goes up and down and up and down and up. And at some point you exit. And maybe after some point you did 10%. Okay, which is fine. It's good. 10%, depending how long it took you to get there. But you know, you're not affected, let's say, by the fluctuations of the market. So you're looking at the long term, you're in, the price you're in, the price you're out, that's it. Okay. Now, when you are trading, and again, it's timing the market, then you will be getting in and out very often. So you get in, you see the fluctuations, and the fluctuation is like it's like they say, the trend is your friend. And so if you learn how to work with the trends going up or going down, so you're in when it's down, you're out when it's up, you're in, you're out, you're in. And so by doing this, maybe after some time, or in the same time as it took you an investor, maybe, and using all these fluctuations, instead of making 10%, maybe you've made 40%, because you're in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay. So that it's very, very different in strategy. And of course, you can do both, but you do both with a strategy. Okay. You do with a strategy, because when you don't have a strategy, you go into the market without a strategy. It's like going to the casino. Okay. You're gambling there. You're not investing. You're not trading. You're gambling. And when you gamble, the odds are against you. Okay. So you need to have a proper strategy. You need to develop your financial IQ, your financial literacy. Okay. You need to understand, you need to study, you need to spend some time on that. Okay. If you have a strategy, then at some point, and if you are trading, comes the time to milk it. And I would like to say, time to milk it. What is this? It means that, for instance, you got in at a certain price and it goes up, and then it can make them down, and it goes up again, up and down, and you are buying and selling, or you just go for a longer run and you just wait until it goes up. Okay, now I'm selling. I'm selling all or part of my holdings, and in a way that you get back your original investment. And then if it keeps on going, you keep on milking it, get it back. So you have your capital back. Whatever you have in the market is free. It's like an infinite return. Okay, you got your capital back, and then you can start again with different stocks or different cryptos or different assets, different types of investments. Assets are the ones that put cash in your pocket. So if you are doing trading, it's not really assets, but you can buy these financial instruments, cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, whatever it is, you can do that. Okay, so get your money back and then play or trade or invest with your profits, and then you are in the clear. Okay, you've made your money. All right, so if you want to know more about this, well, try the Access Club. Come and discover the Access Club, because that's what we have the Access Club for, is for you to develop your financial IQ, so you understand all this. We go much deeper into all these strategies. We put them in place. We have also the possibility of investing in some assets, real assets that put money in your pocket. And when you think about it, you say, where do you want to be in 3 years from now, in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now? Okay, you don't want to be stuck and thinking, "Oof, what have I done?" I mean, I want to look back, and I don't want to ask what happened. I want to look back and say, "Wow, this is what I have accomplished all these years. I mean, this is fantastic," and that's what the Access Club will provide to you. Okay, great. So thank you so much for this.